Ladies and friends, the puzzle is finally complete. The cryptocurrency we all love is about to make a big finding that you can't miss. A lot of people think that XRP Ripple will be worth $1,000 this year. But where does this happiness come from? It's easy. Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency companies in the world, and it is helping Ripple win its case in court against the SEC. A lot of people think the court case will end this month. That video is the most important thing for anyone who owns XRP to watch. Do not miss a single second. Nota bene, the world of cryptocurrencies is always changing. One of the most important ongoing stories is the legal fight between the SEC and Ripple Labs, the company that makes XRP. Despite all of this chaos, a recent event has caught the attention of people in the crypto community. Coinbase, a big cryptocurrency market in the US, has let people in New York trade XRP again. Coinbase made a brave choice with this decision, especially since the law around XRP is still not clear. Because the SEC was suing Ripple, Coinbase stopped trading XRP in January 2021. According to the SEC, Ripple's sale of XRP was an illegal offering of securities. The case caused a lot of market volatility, and many exchanges had to take XRP off their lists or temporarily stop trading it. Paul Grewal, Coinbase's chief legal officer, recently announced that trading in XRP will begin again in New York. This shows that the exchange is still confident in XRP's potential, even though there are still legal issues that need to be addressed. Grewal talked about the feedback from the community and how the community and the government work together to get XRP trade going again. Grewal said, "We have heard loud and clear that our New York customers want access to XRP. This shows that people are still interested in and wanting this controversial cryptocurrency." Coinbase's move is especially interesting because it comes at a time when Ripple's legal battle with the SEC is almost over. The papers from both sides have been turned in, and Judge Annalisa Torres should soon make her final decision. This decision will not only affect Ripple, but it could also set a standard for the whole US Bitcoin market. The court will also decide on Ripple's request to keep some financial information secret. The outcome of this ruling could have an effect on how people see the company and the trust of investors. In addition, there are big changes happening in the regulatory scene. The House of Representatives just passed the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, which aims to make the rules for digital assets simpler. People think that this bill could really change the crypto business by giving it much-needed clarity and support for new ideas. Concerns have been raised by the SEC, led by Gary Gensler, about the bill's consumer safety measures, arguing that the rules that are already in place are enough to control the crypto space. President Biden has also shown that he might be against the bill by threatening to veto it in its current form. Ripple's legal problems are made even more difficult by the fact that there are now more rules than before. What comes out of these legal talks could have a big effect on how the SEC deals with Ripple and other cryptocurrency companies. Gensler said something famous that sums up this stress. The government must also protect businesses and keep the markets fair. Coinbase's choice to start trading XRP again in New York could be seen as a deliberate risk. It shows faith in XRP's legitimacy and strength, and maybe even an expectation of a favorable decision, or at least a desire to be ahead of the curve if regulations become more crypto-friendly. Coinbase isn't just doing this to meet user demand, it's also a smart move in a market that is changing quickly. The crypto world is holding its breath as Judge Torres' decision draws near. Not only for Ripple, but also for the market as a whole, the result is likely to have big effects. If the judge rules in favor of Ripple, the value of XRP could rise again, and buyers and exchanges that have been cautious would feel confident again. On the other hand, a decision against Ripple could mean big fines and more scrutiny from regulators, which could slow down growth in the sector. But what do people who use XRP Ripple think about this? Do they think the case will be over soon? Could this be the best sign ever for the bulls? You really shouldn't miss this, trust me. Let's get to the bottom of things and find out what will happen with XRP in the future. There is a lot of talk and interest in the XRP community. Some well-known people in the community, like Jack the Rippler, are spreading hope through tweets like the SEC vs. Ripple case will end anytime this is how other fans feel too. For example, Hivibe wrote, "This is the end of the Ripple vs. CC case. We can say that the SEC is cooked. XRP $33. Such statements show that more and more people think an answer is close at hand and could be very good for Ripple. To add to the excitement, Jack the Rippler also brought up a major change in the law that could have a huge impact on how regulations are applied. His tweet said that this week might be bigger than the last one, referring to the fact that the Senate might pass the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act. That means the SEC can't control crypto anymore. That is the case between the SEC and Ripple would stop right away. Millionaires with XRP loading. People are worried that the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act might take away the SEC's power to regulate cryptocurrencies. They want the legal fight to end quickly and in a good way. The effects that these changes could have are very big. Not only would Judge Annalisa Torres be right about Ripple, but it would also likely cause the value of XRP to go through the roof. A positive decision could also set a law example that could make it easier for regulators to deal with other cryptocurrencies. This would make the US a better place for innovation. Investors and people in the business are both excited and nervous about this time of uncertainty and possible change. It's easy to feel the XRP community's confidence, but it's also tempered by the knowledge of how much is at stake. As Judge Torres's decision draws near, everyone in the crypto world is paying close attention. They know that the decision could either start a new era of clear regulations or keep things the way they are now with a lot of uncertainty and caution. To put it simply, Coinbase's move to start trading XRP again in New York is a big sign of confidence, especially since Ripple is still facing legal problems. The possible results could change the future of digital assets in the US and other places as the releases the final verdict and new laws approach. The XRP community's optimism, which is fueled by strong views and positive changes in the law, is a reflection of the wider expectation of a turning point in the crypto industry. As of now, it's not clear if this will be the most positive signal ever. One thing is for sure, though, people in the cryptocurrency world can't wait for the next part of the Ripple story. It looks like everyone already knows that XRP Ripple is going to win the court case with the help of Coinbase. There is more hope than ever for the future of XRP Ripple among experts. What about the cost? This is the most interesting part, but we almost didn't talk about it. This is too important to miss. You'll be amazed. So people in the cryptocurrency world aren't just excited about Ripple's possible court win. They are also making crazy guesses about how much XRP will be worth in the future. People with a lot of influence like Crypto Expert are asking tough questions like, tell me how XRP isn't planning a historic move. A lot of people are excited about XRP right now, and influencers like Barry C. recently started a debate on social media about how much it could be worth by boldly saying that it could hit $1,000. Barry C.'s argument is based on how the prices of big cryptocurrencies have changed in the past. 1 year in 2016, the price of Bitcoin was $330, something that isn't even close to its all-time high of almost $73,000. In the same way, Ethereum, which was worth $10 in 2017, has been worth more than $4,000. In his opinion, Barry C. says that the charts are correct and that the way the market is growing shows that XRP's price will definitely go up a lot. In his tweet, Barry C. promotes a long-term investment plan and suggests that times when people are doubtful or negative about XRP are the best times to buy more of the token. He stresses that hanging on to XRP could lead to explosive price action in the future, which is a strong feeling among bullish people. His message to people who use XRP is clear: be brave and hold on to your tokens until they go up in value a lot. It's important to approach these kinds of predictions with a good dose of doubt, though. There is a lot of volatility in the Bitcoin market, and performance in the past doesn't mean performance in the future. Changes in regulations, new technologies, and the state of the economy as a whole can all have a big effect on the price of XRP. In addition, the launch of an XRP ETF could be very important. An ETF would let institutional investors trade in XRP without actually buying the token. This could cause more people to want to buy it, which could drive up prices. ETFs are important because they make investing in crypto easier and more controlled for regular people. This could lead to more people using crypto and making it more stable. People are interested in Barry C.'s optimistic outlook, but they should do their own study and due diligence before deciding to invest.